Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Standard amino acids. Most useful manner to classify is based on the polarity. Your question was, now what is polarity? Polarity is the distribution of electric charge of R group. In my previous video, I told you about some polar, non-polar and how you can remember them easily, amino acids. But today, on the basis of our group, we will divide them into the four main groups. Group 1 is the non-polar amino acid. AA is not a standard abbreviation. I only used it for my convenience. You will use or you will write the whole amino acid. Non-polar amino acid is the group 1. Group 2, polar, uncharged or neutral amino acids. Group 3, acidic amino acid. Group 4, basic amino acid. Today I will tell you the group 1, that is the non-polar amino acid, in detail and the brief description of these amino acids. I will tell you also the structure of these amino acids. In my previous video, I told you the method that you can, what are the amino acids that are present in group 1 are the non-polar amino acids. You can remember them by saying go and take part in promoting mother language. I told you that G stands for glycine, A alanine, T tryptophan, P proline, I isoleucine, P phenylalanine, M methionine and L for leucine. And the R group in these amino acids can be aliphatic or aromatic group. Now what is aliphatic? Aliphatic means their R group is a straight chain, and aromatic means their R group is the cyclic structure or the ringed structure. And this R group make them hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means water fearing. When protein forms a globular structure, then these non-polar amino acids are buried inside and they are surrounded by the hydrophilic amino acids that are the water loving. Okay, now there is leucine and isoleucine present in this group. Isoleucine is an isomer of leucine. What is isomer? Isomer means they are having the same number of and the same kinds of atoms but differ in chemical and physical properties. If they have the same kinds of same atoms, it means they have the same chemical formula. Isoleucine has two chiral carbon atoms. Now what is chiral carbon? Chiral carbon, we refer the carbon atom as chiral when it is connected to four different kinds of atom or group of atoms. Okay, these all are the structures of amino acids that are present in group 1 are the non-polar amino acids. Alanine. Okay, you can see that I highlighted the some chains with the yellow color. It means all these yellow colors are the functional group of amino acid, that is the R group. Basic structure of amino acid, I will tell you that this is the alpha carbon. This is attached to carboxylic group and the amino group, hence the name, we name the amino acid. This is the amino group, this is the acidic or the carboxylic group, amino acid. Okay, this is the alpha carbon. Alpha carbon is attached on one side with the carboxylic group, other side with the amino group and one side with the hydrogen. And in alanine, R group is the methyl group. This is the basic structure, means this is the R group. In valine, this is the basic structure and this is the R group. Carbon atom is attached to two methyl groups and one hydrogen. Okay, simplest way I can tell you to remember the structure of the amino acid is that you should know the valencies or how many bonds one atom can form. Like carbon can form 4 bonds and nitrogen can form 2 bonds. you will make them bonds. I should say that you should remember all the atoms or group of atoms to which alpha carbon is attached, and then at the end just satisfy the valencies. Look, carbon is making 4 bonds and nitrogen is making 3 bonds, one with the carbon and 2 hydrogen. You can write it this way: hydrogen, hydrogen. In this way, hydrogen, hydrogen, and 1 bond with the alpha carbon, this bond. Okay, this is the valine. Glycine has the simplest structure, as this is the basic structure, and R group is the hydrogen. Only hydrogen is attached as the R group, and this is glycine. Okay, this is the structure or the R group of leucine. This leucine and valine has no connection in any other sense. Only for your satisfaction or how to remember the structure of the leucine, you can remind the structure of valine, and you can see that only this CH2 group is added, like R group, and with the basic structure only add one CH2 group, this one. And next is the isoleucine. I told you that the leucine and isoleucine are the isomers of each other, and this is the R group of isoleucine. Methionine is one of the 2 amino acids that contains the sulfur atom. It plays a major or important role in protein biosynthesis. This is the initiating amino acid in protein biosynthesis. Tryptophan contains indole ring attached to side alanine chain. It is also called benzopyrrole. Benzopyrrole is heterocyclic organic compounds that occurs in some flower oils, for example jasmine, and also present in coal tar or in feces. This is the structure of tryptophan. And phenylalanine, as the name indicates that phenyl group is attached to alanine. Look, this is alanine, CH3 group, methyl group is attached in alanine, and look, this CH3, this is the phenyl group. Phenyl group means benzene it is related to the benzene group. Benzene has the chemical structure formula of C6H6, but in phenyl group C6H5. Look, 6 carbons and 5 hydrogen, because 6 hydrogen is replaced with this structure, or means any other group or group of atoms or any other atom. Okay, phenyl group is attached to any other atom or group of atoms. Phenylalanine. In this phenylalanine amino acid, phenyl group is attached to the alanine. Okay, proline. Proline is a unique amino acid. It doesn't have both free alpha amino and alpha carboxylic group, because its side chain forms a cyclic structure as nitrogen is linked to 2 carbon atoms. That's why proline is not amino acid but alpha amino acid. Look, its R group makes a cyclic structure with the alpha carbon as well as with the nitrogen of amino group. So this is known as alpha amino acid.